Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online bank account password of Reasons Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a reasonsbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Reasons Bank, you can see online banking login form page on right side of your screen. There you need to provide your online ID and password, then click on login where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of Reasons Bank. As we are going to recover our password for the online banking account of Reasons Bank, you need to click on the link that has been provided in the below, that is forgot online ID, forgot password. You click on forgot password. To recover your password, you need to provide the following details, that is your online ID. Then you select your account type by clicking on the drop-down menu. You need to provide your Reasons account number. Then you provide your social security number. If you do not have your social security number, then you can click on the link that has been given in the right side. Click here to reset your password. But if you have your social security number, then you go in for providing it. After you fill up all the details, you need to click on continue where you will be redirected to the another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided where you will be able to reset your password. Similarly, in the online ID, you need to click on the link provided, that is forgot online ID. To retrieve your online ID, you need to provide the following details, that is your email, then provide your social security number. After you provide both the details, you need to click on Find Online ID and follow the further instruction that has been provided where you will be able to find your online ID. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online bank account password of Reasons Bank. Thank you.